Alrighty. Hello. I'm just gonna do a quick showcase of some of the things I've been piling on to this project. I have some really cool rarity showers. So each item will have a very specific rarity associated with them. So you'll see this guy here is below average, and because he's below average, the effects are deemed to be gray. We have outstanding quality, which is going to be more or less the legendary quality that people are going to want to get or prioritize finding. Then you have exceptional, which is like middle tier, so I'll do a quick showcase of the different rarities. So these are all the rarities in order. So you have below average, average, exceptional, exceeding, and outstanding. And the text of the gun, or the gun stats that you're seeing right now, heavily depend on. Let me lower the music real quick here. It's a little distracting for me. So the color of the text here on the gun stats indicate the element of the weapon. And also you have this in the top right hand corner, a little icon depicting what the element is. So you'll see here that it says thunder, and it shows you a little lightning bolt. Whenever you shoot a gun, it has a corresponding element to it as well. So we go like this, and we can see some lightning. I'll show you guys some of my favorite weapons. These are the poison guns that I've made. This one is a poison projectile based shotgun. You can see our little gun stat page will tell us that there's 9 pellets that are being shot, and you can see that in the damage range. Tells us that it's a shotgun and that our headshot multiplier is 3 times. It'll take 2 seconds for it to reload, and sadly, it's below average. We have an exceeding quality shotgun here. Right now, there isn't that much of a difference between the rarities, but that is mainly for the use of the gun generator that I'm working on. So the stats will be randomized, and a lot of the ranges here are going to be generated, and it'll choose a quality depending on how high your weapon rolls, essentially. So this is what a normal projectile-based shotgun will look like. These are some of my favorite weapons here. This is an SMG, or yeah, this is SMG. So it's meant to fire really fast. We see here that it has a fire rate of 0.0625 bullets per second, which is really cool. This is what 1.25 looks like, or 0.125. And I'll just start spawning some enemies here, just to showcase. So I showed this one off in the last video. It is a projectile-based weapon, so it's firing these projectiles pretty quickly. I'll show you guys the shotgun. I would really like it if I could add in a feature where, say, like a poison cloud is lingering and it deals some damage with that. This one's also a projectile-based weapon. It just fires the projectile pretty quickly, so you don't really get a chance to see it before it hits. Let's see. I'm experimenting with AoE type weapons. So this one kind of acts like a rocket launcher. You shoot it once and you have to reload it. The trade-off that you make is the really, really high damage that you're eventually dealing. What I want to do with these shotguns, or not shotguns, but these rocket launchers, is make it so that the bullet itself has pretty good AoE to it, so you just launch it into a crowd of enemies here and they're taken care of. So let me pull some enemies here. At the moment, there's a really fun little thing here where the projectile in this weapon in particular will bounce. So it can technically hit multiple enemies. It just needs to bounce correctly. There we go. But you can also like ricochet it a little bit. I think I need to like, no, not quite. I should make it so that I don't have to reload it as often in dev mode, but you know, such is the way. But yeah, there's totally a lot of fun additional modifier potential here to make things really interesting. Make like bullets very bouncy, have like a pinball gun or whatever, have like poison clouds deal lingering damage. That's totally realistic. So we can go with that. And it's stinky. And yeah, that's about it. Just having fun, making cool, fun things here. Let's see. Anyway, thanks for stopping by.